Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the AUDUSD pair, focusing on both recent news and technical chart analysis. Starting with the daily chart, we can observe a clear downward trend from 0.68 to around 0.62 over the past couple of months, suggesting a bearish sentiment. Notice the significant drop on December 18th. We'll discuss possible correlations with current events shortly. Let's look at the news. Recent Google searches reveal significant concerns about the Australian economy. The AUDUSD fell to a multi-week low, indicating a possible loss of confidence in the Australian dollar. Reports suggest that Australia's trade balance was up, but not enough to offset the broader bearish trend. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can see more short-term fluctuations. Notice how the price consolidates in some areas. The sharp decline around December 18th is evident here, too. The volume also looks pretty significant on the lower time frames. Now, let's zoom in on the 15-minute chart. Here, we can see the hourly candlesticks are made up of many 15-minute candles. The minute-by-minute movements are much more pronounced here, demonstrating the volatility of short-term trading. But the overall trend is still clear. Based on the correlation of the news and the chart data, the downward pressure is likely due to investors losing faith in the Australian economy. This is evident in the steady decline over the past months and the noticeable dip around December 18th. Looking at key support and resistance levels on the daily chart, there's a significant support zone around 0.62 and resistance is around 0.64, potentially 0.66. In the short term, the 0.62 support could hold, but a break below could indicate further drops. In the long term, a reversal seems unlikely unless substantial positive news affects the Australian economy. If we see a sustained bounce off the 0.62 support and the 1-hour chart shows a consistent upward trend, it could increase the likelihood of a more bullish short-term forecast. Based on the current data, the short-term outlook remains bearish, with a potential further drop below 0.62. However, a sustained bounce from this level could shift the outlook to slightly bullish. The long-term outlook remains largely bearish unless strong economic data emerges. It's crucial to watch the volume and the price action closely. A break above the 0.64 resistance could signal a shift in momentum, while a failure to bounce from 0.62 support might signal a continuation of the downtrend. Keep an eye on economic news releases for Australia. If economic data beats expectations, a short-term bullish reversal might emerge. To recap, key support is at 0.62 and resistance at 0.64, with a possible extension up to 0.66. A break above 0.64 would increase the chance of a bullish short-term trend. Sustained price action above 0.64 would make this prediction more likely. Conversely, a break below 0.62 would reinforce the bearish sentiment. Remember, this is just technical analysis. Always do your own research and manage your risk properly. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts.